Good afternoon to all the students of class 7. Students, in the last class we have studied a few types of quadrilaterals, that is trapezium, parallelogram and rhombus. Today we are going to study a few more types of quadrilaterals. First one is rectangle. What is rectangle? A parallelogram whose one angle is 90 degree is called a rectangle. So here if we take this angle as 90 degree, you know that opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. We have studied this in the property of parallelogram, that if this is 90, then this opposite angle will also be 90 degree, and the sum of the adjacent angles is 180 degree. So if this is 90, the adjacent angle, that is this one, will also be 180 minus 90, that is 90. And if this is 90, you know that opposite angle, this one also be 90 degree. So here in a rectangle, all the vertex angle will be 90 degree. So let us learn the properties of rectangle. The length of the opposite sides are equal. Here the pair of opposite sides will be equal. Just look at the diagram. In the rectangle ABCD, this AD is equals to BC and AB is equals to DC. So here the pair of opposite sides are of equal length. Next is the length of the diagonals are equal. So here the two diagonals we can see are AC and BD. This diagonal AC and diagonal BD, they are of equal length and they are bisecting each other at the point O. They are bisecting each other at point O. So that means bisecting means we have studied that they are dividing each other into two equal halves. So the diagonals bisects each other, right? Now we are going to study about square. So what is square? Children, you already know that in a square all the four sides are of equal length. So a rectangle whose one pair of adjacent sides are equal is called a square. Now adjacent means side by side. Here you can see in the square PQRS, the sides PQ, QR, RS and SP all are equal length. And the adjacent, what do we mean by the adjacent sides? This side, suppose PS, this is adjacent to side PQ. So these sides are equal. Now again PQ is adjacent to side QR. So these are also equal. This is also equal. Now QR is also adjacent to SR or RS. So these are again equal. So we can directly say that all the four sides are equal. So this is the property of square, that length of all the sides are equal. Next is measure of each angle is 90 degree. So here just like the rectangle, each vertex angle will be 90 degree. All the four vertex angle will be of 90 degree. Next is length of diagonals are equal. So the two diagonals, as you can see in the diagram, PR and QS, the diagonals are of equal length and they are bisecting each other at 90 degree. They are bisecting each other at point O and making 90 degree angle with each other. So they are dividing each other into two equal halves. So these are the four properties of square. First one is length of all the sides are equal. Next, measure of each angle is 90 degree. Next, the length of the diagonals are equal and the diagonals bisects each other at right angles. So this property is this 90 degree bisecting each other at 90 degree or right angles. This property we find similar to that of the property of the rhombus. In rhombus also the diagonals bisects each other at 90 degree although they are of unequal length. But in square the diagonals are of equal length as well as they bisects each other at 90 degree. Okay children. Now next one we are going to study about is next quadrilateral, kite. What is kite? A quadrilateral which has two distinct pairs. Distinct pairs, that means the pairs cannot have a side in common of equal adjacent sides is called a kite. Here you can see that in the diagram given that PQRS is a kite. So here PQ is equal to PS, right? This side is equal to this side and again these two sides are equal. The side QR is again equal to side SR. Okay. So here you have the one pair of adjacent side, one pair of side adjacent to each other. Here you have this PQ and PS equal to each other, and this QR and SR equal to each other. So next, the properties are the diagonals intersect at right angles. So what are the two diagonals you can see over here? The diagonals are PR and QS. Right, the diagonals you can see along the vertical, that is PR, and horizontal diagonal, that is QS, they are bisecting each other at 90 degree. They are means forming, not bisecting actually, they are intersecting each other at 90 degree. That means intersecting means they will not bisect, okay, they will not divide each other into two equal halves. So this half is equal to this half, but this half you cannot say this PO is not equal to OR. This PO is not equal to OR, and this OQ is equal to OS. That means actually what? One diagonal is bisected into equal halves, but the other diagonal is not bisected into equal half. Only one diagonal is bisected into equal half, and they are actually intersecting each other at 90 degree. So the properties are diagonals intersect at right angles and the angles between unequal sides are equal. So what are the unequal sides? Just look at the diagram. See, you know that this side and this side are equal, again this side and this side are equal. Now if we come to the concept of unequal side, that means this PQ and QR, these two sides are unequal. So the angle formed in between them, that means the PQR angle and PSR angle, both are of equal length. So that means we can say that the angles between the unequal sides are equal. Okay children, so study all the properties of the different types of quadrilaterals which has been taught and note these down in your classwork notebook. Thank you for today.